In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles on Podia. Subtitles make your course more accessible, help learners follow along in noisy or quiet environments, and open your content to viewers who prefer or need another language. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add captions to your videos. Start by signing in and heading to your Podia dashboard. This is your home base where you can access everything related to your products and courses. From there, open the products area to see a list of the courses you've already created. Find the course that contains the video you want to update and click Edit. This takes you into the course editor where you can manage lessons and media. Next, choose the specific lesson that includes your video. Click on the lesson name to open its details. Inside the lesson editor, locate the video section and look for the subtitle upload area. You'll see a language drop-down and an upload option. First, select the correct language for your subtitles. Picking the right language matters because the video player uses that label to display choices to your students. Now upload your subtitle file. Podia requires the WebVTT format, which uses the .vtt file extension. If your captions are currently in a different format like .srt, convert them to .vtt before uploading. There are many free online converters that can handle this in seconds. For best results, make sure your file is saved in UTF-8 encoding, your timestamps are accurate, and your lines aren't too long, so they're easy to read on mobile. After the file finishes uploading, save your changes to apply the subtitles to the video. Saving is what locks everything in, so don't skip this part. If you plan to provide captions in multiple languages, repeat the same process for each language. Choose the language from the dropdown, upload the matching .vtt file, and save again. Keeping your files clearly named with the language code can help you stay organized. Once everything is saved, play the video in the lesson to confirm the subtitles appear as expected. Turn them on in the player menu, skim a few segments, and check that the timing lines up with the speech. If something looks off, adjust the .vtt file in your caption editor or converter and re-upload. That's it.